In the stillness of pre-dawn light, Allah's grace descends. A single mosque stands tall, a beacon of faith. Golden light kisses its minarets, a breathtaking spectacle. This is Islam, a religion of peace and profound beauty. The call to prayer echoes, a gentle reminder of faith. Worshippers gather, their hearts united in prayer. Peace washes over them, a tranquility found in devotion. This is the essence of Islam, a path to inner peace and harmony. Inside the mosque, rows of worshippers bow in unison. They find strength in shared faith, a bond that transcends differences. The Quran's words resonate, a message of love and compassion. This unity is the heart of Islam. Beyond prayer, compassion shines through. A young man helps an elderly woman cross the street, a simple act of kindness. A family shares their iftar meal with a neighbor, fostering a spirit of generosity. These acts embody the true spirit of Islam. Islamic art reflects the beauty of creation. Intricate geometric patterns adorn mosques, echoing the perfection of nature. Gardens, often found within Islamic architecture, offer tranquil spaces for reflection. Nature and spirituality intertwine seamlessly. During Ramadan, families gather, their bonds strengthened through shared meals and prayers. The breaking of the fast is a time for joy and gratitude, a celebration of faith and family. In these moments, the harmony of Islam with daily life is evident. Islam at its core is a religion of peace. Its teachings emphasize compassion, justice, and respect for all beings. The Quran reminds us, show forgiveness, speak for justice, and avoid the ignorant. Chapter 7, verse 199. Let us embrace the beauty and peace that Islam offers. Let us build bridges of understanding and work together towards a world filled with harmony and compassion. This is the true calling of Islam, a message that resonates deeply in our world today.